Good afternoon. Welcome to Blocklike Linknow 25. I'm Michael. DeFi trading and its associated infrastructures are still the most stable and mainstream directions in the blockchain industry. Today, in Blocklike Linknow 25, we invited 4 projects which focus on trading aggregator, infrastructure, digital assets protection, and RWA to talk about how to form DeFi-related innovations and applications. They are Block, Bubble AI, Landing DAO, and Mercury. In addition, we have prepared giveaways for our audiences today. You can go straight to our airdrop platform, airdropblocklikes.com, to share rewards. Our rewards are offered by our guest today. Thanks a lot. So let's come to our first project, Block. Block utilizes a decentralized trader validation system to build better asset management services. Our guest, Mr. Wei, is Block's founder. He will introduce how does Block's trading validation solutions change the industry and what they have achieved. Welcome, Mr. Wei.
Hello everyone, I'm Kenji from Block. Block is the Web3 copy trading infrastructure, and we want to build a better asset management service for everyone. So what we face today, what we want to solve. If you know about copy trading, you know copy trading used to be a promising service for passive investors to follow those experienced professional traders and take profit effortless with simple and several clicks. Initially, the origin is good. However, until things go disorder, according to our research, as you can see in the slide, above 75 or maybe 80% copy trading user, they got liquidated. They face losses when using copy trading. So if it's just about Pareto principle, that's okay. But however, it's not okay. Several severe problems still existing in current market, such as transparency issue, non-reasonable policy, data manipulation, falsified performance from those bad actors, a lot of malicious events happening every day, and pretty much hard to solve if we keep those stakeholder structure unchanged. So that's why we are here. Okay, our proposition to build is we anchoring the core characteristic of blockchain technology, the transparency, the decentralization, and openness. We develop a decentralized validation system upon DAO structure, tokenomics, and data aggregation. As you can see in the slide, we set out the DAO treasury, the decentralized validation system, which is a validation fund and from those validators to battle testing strategy from traders or asset managers, in addition to earning profits or rewards during validation journey. It's just like conducting proof of concept on those trading strategy, but more than that, not just of it. By saying that, we keep collaborate and onboard traders or asset managers on to process our decentralized validation procedures to enhance their credibility and get more followers, also the AUMs. By saying that, since we launched more than a year, our DAO treasury acquired around 10 to 15 annual yield with no single liquidation happen. Okay, let's dive into our validation system, shall we? That's the core of Block. As you can see in the description here, everyone can be validator if you deposit USDT for Block token. When you hold Block token, you will become the validator and you will have the voting rights to process validations. And also you have rights to oversee how our treasury works. And then you can provide feedback and suggestion to our team. Besides that, in another perspective, the validator is more like investing in a portfolio of strategies, which with risk diversification and profit sharing with those profitable and professional traders. And this is the page of the leaderboard. User can screen in those managers, onboarding trading manager to see their performance data, performance chart, their proprietary trading size, introduction, etc. Then, like I said earlier, validator will have voting right? We conducted voting bi-weekly. So all the validator they were allowed to vote for the manager they want to validate, all the manager you like or you prefer, who is the best. So as you can see in the slide, in current trading round, validator selected a trading manager to manage our treasury funds, and you can freely to select or vote multiple traders if you want. Also, the risk is adjusted, so that's why our validation mechanism actually works. Okay, as you can see in the slide, we're doing the simulation comparison between the performance of our real fund, the Dow Treasury, and also with the randomly selected performers. So we got like 96.6 performance rating rate. You see here the bold red line here, which means under our decentralized validation, our DAO performers outperform 96%, around 96% of random installation. Okay, so that's why we believe that our decentralized validation mechanism actually works, and it provides a better return risk profile for the users. And then, if you ask me, give you maybe 3 words about blah blah blah, that's why I give you. Okay, the collective wisdom plus professional combined with data driven. That is blah blah blah. That's our product funnel. Okay, so that's why we believe that that's a better solution for copy trading. That's the superior structure for copy trading. And it's all about better and more trustworthy. That's what we offer to you. That's our core value. Here you can see the comparison between the conventional copy trading solution and with blah blah blah. In the profitability side, you see just around 20 to 25% user they may have profit. But in blah blah blah, everyone have medium to low risk, but with stable and trust minimized profit. The performance is much better in the majority side. And then you can see the risk is comparatively reduced and diversified because we can select multiple strategy, multiple trader to manage our fund and conduct it bi-weekly. If those strategy are bad, then we just reverse our decision. We just select the better one. Also, the credibility, right? It's all about credibility. We enhance credibility to those validated trader, and we bring those validated trader to crypto exchange, to other platform, which we help them, we support them to scale their strategies, scale their trustable strategy to more people with credibility. But right now, in current scenario, in current solution, the credibility is really hard to balance, right? It is really hard to build because the platform they stand with those traders because they have same interest. So the conflict of interest exists in current solution. That's why blah 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 is so much better. And then the other use case, now you mentioned, we integrate and we build out ourselves DeFi pipeline, and also we collaborate with layer 1 blockchain to provide more additional strategy features for the users, for the validators. And then we also build our ecosystem. Like I said, we have DeFi. If you are a validator, you have the right and space to utilize your token, and no matter it's doing leveraging, no matter you want to earn additional rewards, something like that. And we bring our validated manager to crypto exchange, to other platform. So we support great trader. We support those trader community to have more awareness, more followers. So eventually, we are reconstructing the trust layer in copy trading domain. Okay, so that's the page. When you register our platform, you can check out our main page. You will see how many rewards you got, what's your balance, and what is our DAO performance. And also you can swap USDT and blob anytime if you want. And the next one will be our roadmap. We already collaborate and establish a partnership with several crypto exchange, and we develop at least 3 DeFi features for our users. And we are keep going to iterate our product, our website, and also build out more solid trust mechanism in copy trading. So in the near term, maybe in the next year, we will bring more strategy, and also we will have more integration with DeFi. That's what you can expect. So let's talk about our team. Our team are mainly from financial industry. For me, I'm Kenji. I'm the CEO of blah blah blah. I used to be an entrepreneur in fintech and crypto space. So I specialize in finance, product management, development, and research. And our founder, Wei, he has more than 7 to 8 years in quant trading. He's a professional, talented quant trader who utilizes machinery as his core logic. And he built out blah 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 by himself. So we are a team, all understand and really professional in investment, in trading, also in build out the project. And that's our baker. Ins is a GP from Lead Capital. He got a lot of experience to incubating a Web3 project. And Daniel Huang is the founder of Bezos. Bezos is the Web3 startup which is focused in real world asset invoice financing area. And the last thing I want to share with you guys is that we're preparing to launch our season plan or season program for rewarding our early adopter, rewarding those validator, reward our supporter. Is called the Rebuild Trust Season, because our team believes that we are under the period to rebuild trust layer, to rebuild trust consensus in crypto exchange, in crypto industry. That's what we need. If we want to scale the impact, scale this technology, increase cryptocurrency adoption, then we should all think about what is the next gen consensus, next gen trust layer we need for in the future. Okay, so come join us. Don't hesitate to throw out your idea, give us any feedback or questions. We will welcome all you guys join us today and build great product with us together. Okay, come join us, follow our Twitter, join our Discord. See you guys there. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Mr. Wei. Infrastructures will demonstrate lasting value in the trading aspect. The next project is Bubble AI, which forms a signal and AI-driven trading aggregator. CMO Maxim will introduce more details about the project. Welcome.
Hello, everyone. I'm Mark, and I'm CMO of Bubble AI. You may have heard about Bubble AI in different places, but probably few people truly understand what it is and what we can do with our product. So today I will give you a simple introduction to the Bubble AI product, and I hope you guys will like it. So you see, Bubble AI is your trading copilot, and we want really pursue to provide a market intelligence for everyone. So let's start with basics. Look, in traditional quantitative trading, alpha factors are seen as the most difficult to obtain. The quality of alpha factors often determines the size of returns, making them kind of gold of quant. So signals here play a critical role in those alpha factors. So signals can refer to the news, data, policy changes, sentiments, and more. So do alpha factors actually lead to profits? We can examine backtest results to see that we have done ourselves. So as you can see here, according to our backtest results, the returns are quite substantial. The long-short return rate reached 550%, while the short return rate was as high as 400. We also run our own quantitative strategies, which although just like for testing, but we were still able to rank in the top 5 on Binance Futures at the time. And alpha factors play a critical role in generating these returns that we have made. So how can our product, Bubble AI, help traders better leverage alpha factors for profit? This is the main question. So let's divide this whole trading process into the parts to analyze it, right? So we mainly call 4 parts. One is data collection, analysis, valuation, and strategy formulation. So what includes in each of these parts? For data collection, you have on-chain data, news updates, indicator alerts, and all the information about liquidity. For analysis, you need to have aggregation of messages, factor analysis, historical backtesting, and judgment, as well as assessment. For valuation, you need to have existing strategies for references, backtest analysis, and hypothesis, of course, and all done through AI training. And for the strategy formulation, you need all-in-one solution and different kinds of trading and be available for sexes and dexes. So let's see how Bubble AI covers all these needs. Of course, for the data collection, we provide ease of access, all kinds of data, and rapid information retrieval, and accuracy of this information as high as 80%. So for analysis, we have a really quick comprehension, different analytical tools, expert recommendations, fundamental knowledge, and simplified implementation of factor analysis for backtesting. And for the valuation, we provide really a user-friendly product with convenience of use and backtesting tools, as well as strategy references. For execution and position and your portfolio in general management, we have security, cost efficiency, and time efficiency. Also, user-friendly product and support for different trading pairs. Actually, a lot of it. So to sum it up, Bubble AI covers the full scope of the whole trading workflow that you have, from the data basics to ideas and to the strategies that you can execute. And our goal is to enhance every step to help traders to make better decisions easier. Yeah, let's move forward. So regarding to information collection, we have achieved the fastest web-wide data crawling speed. On average, data crawling takes no more than 0.3 seconds, allowing traders to obtain first-hand data sources in the fastest time possible. Apart from this speed, that is impressive, right? We also have the most comprehensive intelligence system across the web. we crawl over 40 mainstream media outlets, and any news that is published on mainstream media we will promptly push to our users. And additionally, we have tagged over the 2.5 thousands of most influential Twitter accounts that we identified through our backtesting and that we see have really significant impact on token prices. And as soon as this Twitter accounts, you will see the messages and signals in our platform. Yeah, let's move forward. So, and information is crucial, but how you deal with this information? For this, of course, you cannot go and pass through the AI. So with the most comprehensive data sources, we also provide users with the first AI information analysis model across the whole Web3 sector, as we know, and developed independently by our team. Users can leverage our tool to analyze data. And Bubble GPT will judge if a data point is positive or negative for a certain token and give kind of signal for you. And additionally, you can choose more analysis if you just want to know more and make decision yourself. Bubble GPT will provide your really in-depth analysis from a professional, not emotional investor's perspective. And with this analytical tool, users can make trading decisions really much quicker and easier. Bubble GPT streamlines turning raw data that we collect into actionable insights. And what about executions, right? You have your information, you have your strategy, you need to execute. This is also what we do. To reduce this friction time that you will have, of course, because market is always in a rush, right? It never stops. Bubble AI offers one-click trading tools, and users simply input their price on our platform and can execute trades with just one click. And there is virtually no slippage in such a trading experience. By streamlining order execution, Bubble AI allows traders to seamlessly go from idea to the implementation. And the goal is to eliminate any lag between analysis and acting to achieve all the opportunities exist there in market. And moreover, as you see, we want to provide more token options. So we enable trading not just on central exchanges, but also on DEXs. And users simply need to connect their wallet and can execute one-click trades on Bubble AI across all the exchanges available. So here you can see our logic path of our key product, Bubble AI. Some information about our team. We really have an international team from the Asia going through the Europe and all across to the States. Here you actually can see what is Bubble AI in a nutshell. It is both web and Telegram, Discord, really convenient trading bots with the information and data signal from all around the web, just in a matter of seconds, not even seconds, less than 1 second. You have all the functions for the trading and AI recommendations. Altogether, you have a Bubble AI. Here you can see simple comparison between Bubble AI and Unibot. And as you see, we have actually some unique features, although we still need to work more on different kinds of trading that we can bring to our users. But it will take time, I believe, very fast. It will be also available, and then we will be unbeatable. Here our roadmap. Yeah, it's pretty obvious what we need to be focused on, because we have our basic product and we just need to develop it deeply and bring much more convenient interface for more users. Here our investors who believes in us and strategic partners as well, but we focus more on the product and more on advices from our strategic partners. So welcome everyone to see the Bubble AI yourself. So let's proceed to Bubble AI platform and just take a look at what we have today already. Here you have quick information and some cases of Bubble AI use. But let's proceed directly to our app. Here you see it's a really very convenient interface. You have a SEX and DEX different tokens here. For central exchange, you can connect your Binance. Just see in a few clicks, you click it here and add your Binance API, and that's pretty much it. For the DEXs, of course, you need to choose first a certain trade for regarding to any token, for example, HT. Then you simply click buy, and you will see that we will propose the best decentralized exchange available for now for your trades. So let's see Bubble AI on the left side. You see all different signals you have. So if you see green, of course, it's positive, neutral, and negative. And here you can see a lot of signals. Of course, you can analyze yourself, but here you see a recommendation from our Bubble GPT AI, right? So all the information, and also if you see it in different languages, not only in English, because we take all the information from a lot of different resources. For example, here in Chinese, you can simply translate it, and you will see everything you need. And after we catch a signal, we will provide you price change, as you see here. So, and if you analyze, you will see that mostly, of course, they are correct, because yeah, it's obvious if some decision is made and it really influences the sum token in a really short period. If you have enough time, you are prepared, you will see logical changes in token prices. Of course, not every time, but you need to have a winning rate, like certain winning rate to have your profits, and we proved it already, obviously. So here all the new information appearing. So if you don't see this your certain token on like central exchange, you simply go to the X and that's it. Of course, if you don't like some information sources, you just can, for example, Twitter, you think too much FOMO there, you just click here and you will not see it anymore. Of course, you also can choose any particular token and just follow it if you believe in it or you have more like deeper understanding of it. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So far we don't have futures, but it will be available very soon. Also, we have referral program and really convenient product for the people who just want to trade professionally. And all data, all your trades is able all through our platform. So that's basically it, and we hope you like it, and welcome to our social networks, to our Telegram, Discord, to talk to people and see how they are doing with our first Bubble AI product. Thank you.
Thanks, Maxim's introduction. Bubble AI is really an innovative solution that incorporates AI. Well, let's introduce Mr. Neil, co-founder of LendingDAO, which forms an assets layer based on the digital Earth's geographical and data content. To introduce more about these products, welcome.
It's a great honor to be here and introduce our project to all of you. In today's digital age, real estate transaction has always been a complex and challenging field. Our mission is to change this reality, making real estate transaction more transparent, efficient, and secure. We are not just confined to theory. We have made significant progress in practice. On our digital globe platform, users can trade and manage real estate in ways never seen before. Today, I will take a deep into the technical further of XGO, its practical application, and our vision of the future. Please pay close attention because we believe XGO will redefine the future of real estate transaction. Allow me to provide you with a detailed overview of our project. LendingDAO has this cool set of protocol called the RWA registration protocol. They cover things like real estate registry, property tokenization, fund supervision, and property insurance. What's special about these protocols is that they use a decentralized real estate registry to turn the actual property right into a digital token. This tackled the whole authority issues, make sure property rights are legally when they are put on the blockchain. It's like a worldwide agreement for real estate, all thanks to blockchain tech. Now let's talk about XGO. It's like this awesome digital globe thing brought to you by LendingDAO, but it's not just a globe. It's a platform that lets you create your own open world. It layers data and geography to give users a super immersive augmented reality experience. So XGO isn't just tech jargon, it's a way for real estate to go digital and bridge the gap between our physical and digital world. Alright, let's break down XGO's setup for you. It's got three main parts: the user interface, the real estate registration system, and the plugins. So the user interface is like your front door, with filter like digital globe and the real estate marketplace. It's further give you a smoothie and immersive experience. They work hard in hand with the provider and the protocol layers. Now the protocol operation on it's like the brains behind the operation. It's made up of several smart contracts. Now let's talk about these key contracts. First up, we have real estate registry contracts. Think of these as the core engine of XGO. They handle all the nitty-gritty stuff like property registration, insurance and management, and the rest assurance. All these processes are super secure thanks to incorporation. Then there's permission management contracts. These contracts are the gatekeepers. They manage who can do what. Real estate token unauthorized address can make changes, ensures everything runs smoothly. And last but not least, we have plugins. These are like your customizable tools. With plugins, you can personalize your XGO experience, add feature you like, remove ones you don't need. It's all about tailoring your setup to your preference. In a nutshell, XGO isn't just about a slick interface. It's about putting the power in your hands. You can issue, register, trade, and manage real estate smoothly. Plus, with plugins, it's like having your own toolkit for personalized experience. Let's dive into digital globe. We are seamlessly blend the real world with the digital realm through our four layer structures. First up, we have GIS layers. It provides incredible accurate location data and professional maps, layering a solid foundation for exceptional mapping experience. In the data layers, we are packed in administrative, local, and statistical information, moving up to assistant layers. It showcases real-world assessed properties like land and building. Lastly, the extended reality layers allow you to explore both virtual and real space. Exactly, we are integrate several of experiential further here, including activity, takes, games, all in augmented reality. So what can you do? Navigation, search, smoothly navigate both real and virtual space, whether you need location tracking, route planning, or event reminders. We have got your covered RWA registration marketplace. This is the thrilling part. In these layers, you can register your real-world assistant, ensures their authenticity and effectiveness on the blockchain. Custom maps, create your own maps just the way you like them. Contraction players, use augmented reality to build and experience virtual scenes. Let me introduce you to the concept of real estate registry. It's a smart contract designed to digitalize tangible properties and their ownership relationship into token. This contract relies on several key computations to ensure the authenticity and the effectiveness of real estate data on the blockchain. Firstly, we have authentication. This ensures that only authorized users can access and modify the real estate register data. Blockchain accounts go through authentication and permission control to ensure data security. Next up, we have data providers. These are organizations responsibility for collecting, management, and providing real estate information. They could include government agency, real estate company, service department, and more. They provide essential foundational data for the real estate registry. Then there is a decentralized verification network. This network retrieves the last off-chain property rights information from data providers. It stores on-chain real estate contracts ensures accuracy by connecting off-chain and on-chain data. The register contract is at the core of the real estate registry. It established the standard format for interaction between the registry and data. Key property data such as location, boundaries, address, ownership detail are recorded in the smart contracts. This ensures data immutability, curability, and privacy protection. Lastly, we have the title insurance mechanism. This is a blockchain-based insurance system that ensures authenticity of on-chain property certificate. This system uses Oracle to get real-world information and validate it on the blockchain, ensures that on-chain property certificates align with the real-world information. In summary, this smart contract system not only digitalizes real-world but also ensures its security, accuracy, and privacy protection. Let me make it down for you in simple terms. The real estate register is like a digital ledger that records all the important information about a piece of property, like its location, boundary, size, and ownership registration. It's all stored security on the blockchain. What's cool is that each property on the blockchain gets its own property domain name. These names are user-friendly, like parcel. They get translated into computer-readable codes, what include the address, the encrypted property, NFT, content, hash, and metadata. So it's easy for both people and the computer to understand. Think of it like a secure domain name system. It's the backbone of the whole setup. It keeps a record of who owns what property and how to find important property information. The domain reservoir is like the navigation system that helps you find your way around this digital real estate world. In simple terms, it's all about recording property detail on the blockchain, giving each property a user-friendly name, and having a way to easily look up the property's information. It's a secure and efficient way to manage real estate record. Let me introduce to you the concept of real estate certificate on the blockchain. Imagine a world where buying, selling, and managing real estate is effortless and secure. That's why our blockchain-based real estate certificate offer. They authenticate property rights through a decentralized network. Insurance ownership details are accurate and properties. These certificates are globally accessible, respect user privacy, and enable seamless transaction. The unified digital and physical property writes, create a trustworthy system for real estate management. You can buy, sell, auction, or lease properties, all that all transactionally and securely. Moreover, this certificate empowered domestic governance, allows shared property ownership through DAOs. They also facilitate smart management, enable intelligent control of physical and virtual space. Additionally, they bring decentralized financial to real estate, allow collaboration, lending, investment, and insurance, all on a secure blockchain platform. Finally, I would to share a application example of uh, real estate tokenization. The project is located on the main estate of Republic of Fuji, on a cliff facking of sea, boasting a 20-hectare land with 19 years leasehold. This location not only marks the origin of Fuji geographical survey, but is always a beloved tourist destination. This project helps to main further. First, it is governed by a DAO. In fact, the real estate on this land is owned by the Fuji DAO contract, and it has issued Citizen NFT as governance token for Fuji DAO. Secondly, Fuji DAO LLC is registered in Mashi Island and is owned by Fuji DAO. The company holds 100% equity in Fuji Investment Company, in decree granting Fuji DAO 100% ownership of the tourism land in Fuji. Before we wrap up, we want to experience our heartfelt gratitude for our support and attention. Your interest and engagement fuel our process, improvement, and innovation. If you are integrated by the XGO project and want to dive deeper into our mission, vision, and future plans, we warmly invite you to join our Telegram community. Here you can integrate with us, expression, share your thoughts, and explore more detailed information about the project through the approved link. Additionally, you can experience our demo firsthand, immersing yourself in the navigation and excitement that XGO brings. Once again, thank you for your support and trust. We look forward to engaging with you in our Telegram community and witness the brilliant future of XGO project together. Wish you all the best.
Thanks, Mr. Neil. RWA is the closest stable operating mode to traditional finance. We're looking forward to lending DAO and XGO's future developments. The last project to show now is Markwick. This is a DeFi insurance platform with the governance of a DAO combined with smart contract. Let's welcome its co-founder, Joe.
DeFi insurance is a severely undeveloped market. The current ratio of total value locked of insurance products in DeFi is less than 1% as of August 2020, while the ratio of the counterpart in the real world is 8.6%. Today, out of 1 trillion in Web3 assets, fewer than 1% are insured. Therefore, the potential market gap is multi-billion dollars to fill up. Indeed, many crypto participants are speculators, but there's a genius demand for hedging and protection of the crypto asset, which are subject to malicious cyber attack and unexpected volatilities. To meet the intertwined need for both value investors and speculators, a successful DeFi insurance must be able to provide a platform for insured speculation and speculative insurance. To achieve this goal, Markwick integrates its tokenomic model with its business model. The philosophy of MACU can be summarized into the 1, 2, 3, 4 model, namely 1. Vault, 2. Pools, 3. Features, and 4. Products. So, what does the 1, 2, 3, 4 model meaning in MACU? Let's look at the first item, vault, which plays a central role in the tokenomic model of MACU. Instead of the old tokenomic that incentivizes liquidity provision by constantly issuing new tokens, MACU issue bonds to acquire primitive fund in exchange of the MACU's token at a discounted price. So MACU's token is the native token of the MACU. The discounted price of the MACU's token help to motivate investors to purchase MACU from the vault rather than from the decentralized exchange. The vault then use the fund to support the liquidity need in the insurance products on the MACU platforms. Analogously, it acts like a central bank to commercialized banks, or the insurer to traditional insurance company in return with the insurance fee of the policy. Furthermore, the vault is governed by the protocol such that MACU are always backed but not paid just by 1 USDT. So MACU can also serve as the reserve crypto assets. The intrinsic growth of the MACU value guarantees that the vault is never empty, which is a defining feature termed as never empty pool. MACU token holders have two incentives to stay in MACU. One is to yield you by investing in the insurance fund pool, which distribute the insurance premium to fund provider according to their share. Apart from outside investor, the vault itself can also act as a fund provider to provide adequate liquidity for the fund pool to bootstrap the growth of the insurance projects. The other is to stake MACU's token in the stake pool. While staking the MACU's token into the stake pool, which is able to grant down voting power and debases return to the stakers. In addition to the two internal incentives, MACU's token holder can also choose to be liquidity providers in the decentralized exchange, such as Uniswap and SushiSwap, to earn liquidity mining ease. This law links the internal and external circulation of the fund flow of MACU's tokens. Eventually, the ease received by the bonders, stakers, fund providers, and the liquidity providers, their balance tends to the arbitrage. Two pools philosophy of the MACU are mean of fund pool and stake pool, and these two pools bring incentive for the MACU's tokens holders. Now, let's turn to MACU's business model, which support MACU's tokenomic model below. The business model is featured with Insurance Empowering Protocol (IEP) and multiple extendable platform (MEP). The demand for insurance in DeFi market and the unbalanced developer in DeFi insurance suggests that there's a great potential for MACU. The insurance premium can provide solid support for the sustainable growth of the value of the MACU's token. On the other hand, the Insurance Empowering Protocol support a comprehensive range of the insurance product, discovering non-fungible tokens, investment, cryptocurrency, and events. These 4 items build up the nice business model. These insurance products can also be classified in terms of the insurance perils. For example, insurance of the NFTs, investment, and cryptocurrency will belong to the value insurance, which protects against the market fluctuations, while insurance of event can be further distinguished between security insurance, which protects against the cyber attacks, and wild insurance, which protect against rare disasters like earthquake, tsunami, pandemic, and etc.
Thanks, Joe. Hope you and your team contribute more to DeFi application innovation. Thanks for sharing. Our dear audiences, if you are interested in these projects, you can go check out their official sites to get more details. Then we have to say see you now. Don't forget to join our airdrops campaigns. You can go check out Blocklike's Twitter, blocklike.com, for more information. We welcome innovative Web3 projects to join our Linknow League and our community. Okay, so, well, see you next time, and we will meet at next Linknow.